Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Let me slow down a bit the volume of the music. Here we go. Here we go. So let's continue our small app for meditation. And maybe remove the chat. Yeah, because it's going exactly where it shouldn't go. But I guess I cannot. Need to do something. Sorry about that. The widget is on this one. Here we go. No chat anymore. So yesterday what I did was to create this small icon there, app icon, to be able to add it on Xcode. I've downloaded the last version, the 12.5 beta. I read on Twitter there is a lot of improvement there, so I guess we'll figure this out not today because I want to continue on the design side, but I should have here, yes, exactly, all this stuff. And I think I'm going to remove the Mac deployment target because it doesn't make sense. Oh, everything changed. Why do I know I just need to remove this. And I guess now my asset catalog, oh, still. What? So I just have this. What am I missing there? Well, first I want this as target. And I still have this. Okay. No, this is... It should be there, right? What am I missing? Okay. iOS deployment target 14.3 or why the 0.4 is not there? Okay. Use release, localization, use base internet. This should be okay. For now, I just want it like this. No landscape mode. I want the status bar. App icon source file is this one. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, because I still have this, probably. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Well, anyway, let's keep it for like this for now. I'm gonna quit this. Xcode 12.5. Update targets. Here we go. So what I want to do today is to finalize everything to get ready to build it. For now, I'm gonna keep it simple like it is there. I just want to add an extra design for the dark mode. Because first I'm using the dark mode myself, and second because my microphone is working. Yes, why my stuff is okay. What I wanted to say, yeah, a dark mode, because I'm using dark mode and it has to get ready for dark mode. So I'm gonna create a new page here for the colors. Small stuff like this, create a square here. I set a square. Here we go. I already have some color, so this is the background. But I should use background light, right? No, there is no. I'm losing my mind with. How can I edit this now? That's interesting. Where the fuck are the styles? Interesting. Canvas are here. What the fuck? I'm lost. So these are the symbols. There we go. Here we go. Can I rename this? So this is the main color for the text. Text light. And this one is how to name this, like deactivated state or text light. No. Disable. Here we go. So I need to create a background. A background. No. Background. Okay. Okay. I was a bit confused. I have also the gradient stuff I need to. There is no gradient styles, right? No. So this has to become move to document. And this is not a preset. Can you see it now? No, 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 no. So now, okay, good. Main topic. So let's try to change just this one to see if it's working. And let me check something because the status bar is like this in dark. It's the wrong one, of course. So I need to change this and this. Here we go. Should change this before. So this will be like this, so full dark, and it's working well. I'm gonna change first this one. Something like this. I'm gonna copy that and how can I create something? Text dark. Here we go. Well, let's keep it like this for now. I think I'm gonna do the opposite actually. So just change this and this color a bit darker. Okay, and this one too. This one is too dark. I'm losing the lightness of the... I'm sorry for the noise you can hear. As usual, there is workers outside of my in front of my building, and right now there is like a big truck with the engine turned on for hours, moving stuff. So I hope you're not hearing the same stuff than me, because it's pretty annoying. So changing the color of this text also shows us that it doesn't work at all. And I think I will need some help with the color. Just check if everything is okay here. Yes. So what? Graphical resources, I need colors. I need sun down. Yes. This is the kind of colors I'm looking for. Wow. This is the kind of color I'm looking for. So something a bit dark. 26 1C 53. 26 1C 53. 26 13. I think it's not the right one, right? It's 46. And something more subtle. Let's try this one. DB3B 484. DB3B 4084. I think I'm gonna take a screenshot of it. No, let's contrast something like this. Of course, it's not working. Up. This one. Come on. D8. Hello? $42.87. It looks good, but it's like a radically different. Let's keep it for now because it looks really good. So what if I'm using the same color and this one? Okay. Let's try. Not sure, I'm not sure, I'm not sure. So my phone cannot display anything without making some noise for the notifications. I'm gonna turn them off. So this is it. And I think for this one I'm gonna use the same but less opacity. Something like this. So it means I need to detach this. I create another one called disable dark. And I need to do this. No, it's text disable dark. Okay. Disable. Okay. No. Can I do this? No, of course I cannot. That's interesting. Oh, it's here, sorry. What? Finally. Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay. And I'm gonna use this color everywhere. And for this, so it looks good enough for me. I'm not sure about the background still. like really not. Something is wrong and I'm not. Okay. So the gradient is okay, but it looks like radically different. There's too much differences with the top one. What can I do? No, thank you. If I'm changing this, yeah, because I picked up a blue color, but if I'm choosing something like this, oh. And here we go, the track is back. I'm lost with these colors. These colors, sorry. Something is wrong. Well, let's keep it like this. I don't want to use so much time on this. Okay. What did I do? Yeah, of course. What's happening with this background? And I have to take these, and I'm gonna put them here actually. Elements. Maybe for dark mode I should use the moon, right? Be amazing. But it's gonna be a nightmare to align them all. Yeah, nice. Nice. Dark. This one looks like it's not using my color. This one is okay, and this one is okay. Perfect. Well, it's not perfect, but good enough. Yeah, good enough. Professional grade beginner is raiding with a party of 3. Thanks. Sorry if I didn't realize you were there. Thanks and welcome. So, for the newcomers, I'm designing this and I will code it with SwiftUI later. Today, my goal was to create a dark mode version of these two screens. Yesterday I've created this app icon. I think I'm going to create a second one to customize the app icon, but maybe later, I don't know. For now, we have this. So I need to define all my colors here. One of the background, I'm not using it. Doesn't make any sense. I even going to remove this. So I need to recreate my squares. Text light. Text dark. Oh, I'm going. Well, let's call the text. It's okay. And this one is gonna be text disable or text secondary. It's better text secondary, right? No, I'm going to call it just secondary. And the first one, I'm going to call it main dark. So the secondary color will be this one. I'm doing this because after in Xcode it's going to be far way easier to know what's going where. And I need to create something else for the gradient. So first, gradient. So this one is using this one. And I'm gonna do it different. Dark. Here we go. And then I need to have something else for the colors. So it start and come on. I'm reorganizing everything because it's easier, and I'm picky with that because the time you're using to organize well your sketch files or your pages, artboards, or whatever you're calling them, it's the time you're winning. I don't know if you're keeping after this one to define the gradients with SwiftUI. This one. And the other one. There we go. So we have our colors ready to be picked up. What else can I set? Probably the font, right? Let's create the colors on Xcode first. I closed Xcode. Interesting. Here we go. So, colors. Men. There is a plugin on Sketch to export this in your asset catalog. I wrote something, I think, on my blog about this. But for this one, I'm not going to use it. There is nothing else. No. Let's create the secondary color. Here we go. Light. Dark. No. Okay, so this, we have it. I need to create gradient start in gradient start in gradient end. No, I cannot do this. Okay. gradient start light. And gradient start dark. Here we go. And, good. I should define an accent color. But which one? Or is the same than the main one? I'm gonna do this. This color is used a lot for almost everywhere by default with by default component. So that's, if I'm setting it up right now, I will have a lot of personalizations for free on Xcode later. So let's do this. We'll see if it's working. If I will have to adjust it later. And let's set something. Here we go. After, do I have assets to? No, because everything is SF symbols. Let me think. Should be okay. Should be okay like this. Let's save everything. As I'm committing a lot of stuff all the time because not a lot of stuff, but I'm doing a lot of commit because I like to be able to choose what I'm reverting or not. Assets, catalog, colors, scheme. Scheme colors, right? Okay. So how did I organize my code? I forgot actually. What is this? I have the content view. And this one is, why do I have twice the same stuff? Interesting, Jeremy. Interesting. I don't remember what I did with this, so. Is it working? I don't remember if my preview was okay or not. We turn this off. Oui. Yes. Okay, so it means that I have the title somewhere else. Ah, yeah, navigation view. Yeah, okay. Okay, so if I'm... Yeah, okay, good. But I don't need any navigation view anymore, right? Yeah, I should remove this. I should remove this. Okay. And I'm going to create a view for the background. Background view done. And in this, I'm gonna have a set stack, yes. I need to check because I don't remember how this is working. It's working like this? I forgot how to set a color. Help me! Background, no, color shape. My friend at, I don't know, this one I think I will have to. Okay, but I thought we had. I thought something. I saw something with colors somewhere, but okay, so if I'm doing this, and if I want to customize this, what it is. Overlay modifier. Ah, maybe the... Is this working? No, of course. How am I defining? Okay. System Indigo. So I have my colors. Can I do this? Main color. Something like this. And now I should be able to use here main color. Oh. Okay. So let's organize the code properly. Let's group styles or extension. And I'm going to create a new file called Xcolors. As simple as this. Peep. I think I'm going to create also I'm going to create also all the colors actually. Cannot find colors in scope. What? About SwiftUI? What? Jeremy. No, I need SwiftUI, okay. And now this is working, so let's create all the color static. Let secondary color. What else? I'm gonna do this too. Gradient. Oh, let's do it like this. Did I pick up the right start? Yes. And also, yes. So perfect. So I need to create my gradients now. My gradient, I think I can also create something for the gradient. View gradient. gradient rotate. So that's this one. But can I? Background. So I should use gradient start. I don't know, because it's the name of it. So I should use color. Okay. And after, for using it, I should just use this, right? But with gradient background, right? What if I'm doing this? Gradient, no. Gradient background. And I'm gonna use this modifier. Yes, and you are going away. And if I'm resuming this, oh, what am I missing? Should I use it as a view or? Yeah. Gradient background is there. I think I understood. So it means that this is not working. Yeah, but why can I? Good. Show me the dark mode. Something is wrong there, right? Okay, my colors are wrong. So the end. What's wrong? And the start. This one and this one, right? And this one for the end. And this one for the... Okay. Maybe I'm... What? What did I do? I'm like properly wrong. I am really wrong. So the top one, the start in dark mode is this one. Assets. The start in dark mode is this one. Yes. And the end is this one. The end in dark mode. Here we go. So now if I'm going there, but my gradients are inverted, or is it me? Jeremy. Can I duplicate this? No? Oh crap, Jeremy. What if I'm just renaming them? Duplicate. Can I? Yes. So this is becoming... Let's delete. Oh no, I cannot delete this, otherwise I'm gonna have a conflict. Yes, that's how I'm gonna do it. No, but I didn't need to. Thanks for the follow! Thanks for the follow, but I don't know who. Ah, Megan. Hi. I'm struggling with my assets colors. I inverted the start and the end. So now I guess my view is working. Here we go. And here. Yes. So Megan, I'm coding. I've designed this. It's a small meditation app. Because I'm no longer using Headspace or Calma or this kind of stuff. I don't want to hear anyone anymore. So I looked for something on the App Store, but it's or ugly or it's not doing what I want. So I'm creating this stuff. I don't think I'm gonna release it. Maybe, but I don't know. And that's it. That's it. Let me check if everything is okay on my... Yes. Yes, it is. And I've just created the gradient. And it's working well. What do you think? I think I should commit this immediately before to do more mistakes. Gradient. View. Here we go. So we have this, and now I should use it as a background, right? Let's add this view somewhere. Grand. Go. And I forgot that it's the opposite on SwiftUI. Thanks, Megan. Thanks. Now I have my shapes here. I would like to create this. So this is going to be tricky to draw. I have how many points I have on one? 5 points. 5 anchors, it's not points, they are anchors. And I forgot I create some for Shubi, but shapes are... Someone is calling me. Shapes. Okay, but I want custom shapes, guys, not rectangles. It's not this. I'm really bad at this stuff. I'm really looking forward to have something here, you know, or even an export from Sketch to generate this stuff, because it's kind of crazy blurry for me, like really. Oh, and this one is a narrow, so I'm not even trying to custom wave. Oh. So I don't want any animation on it. Oh my gosh. I don't remember what I used for. should be, but I didn't draw it perfectly. Megan, you need more gradient into your app? Maybe we can do something. Ah, could be an interesting stream actually. Oh, we need to think about this. Like, you know, like a stream with people playing together, but instead of playing together, we would, sorry, I don't know, design something, try something, and one is doing the design, the other one is doing the coding. Could be really interesting. What the fuck? I don't want to do this, dude. No. Path, yes, shape. Custom shapes. So this one, that's the one I just saw, right? I know that's not the one. I forgot how to create the function to... Is it this one on this? I really need to deep dive on this because it's kind of really blurry for me, these shapes. I need to find something simpler than this. Otherwise it's going to take me ages to do it. Yeah, exactly, Megan. I think it's a good idea. What do you think? I think it's a good idea. The tricky part for both of us will be to have to find the right moment during the day, because with our time zones difference, I don't know. Clip shape modifier on images, SwiftUI and shapes, SwiftUI shapes. Yes, this. Is it oh yeah, I don't want to add I guess I'm going to open my old project. Yes. Otherwise it's going to take me ages. Where it should be. So I should take bottom drawing and adjusting the shapes more though. Yeah, let's talk about this because it's really cool. It's a really good idea. Why time difference? We will find a way. I agree. So I don't need more. most of this stuff, I guess. Just this. Strict. Bottom shape back. It is a view. Geometry reader. Geo in up. So if I'm what? Geometry. Okay, happy now. So if I'm no, it's what the name of it? Bottom shape. Sorry, sorry. I probably should give this a color, right? Wow. Okay. Background. Should work this, right? No? Wow, interesting. My shape is definitely wrong. Okay. So I'm going to 0 x. No, sorry Siri, but I didn't talk to you. What if I'm doing this? Yes, that's better. Sorry. So this is looking better. Is it looking? No, it doesn't look at all like the design. But that's a starting point. Ah no, it looks like this one. Oh yeah. So add curve, okay, add line, show me to generate that. So if I'm doing this, it should go up, right? No, it doesn't. What am I missing? So I have my curve, I have my line here. So this should be geometry dot size dot height. Yes. And same for this one. 3 dot size dot height. Perfect. And ignore safe area. Is it working? Amazing! Thanks, Megan. There is a fucking delay between between you and the what I'm saying and what you're seeing. So this doesn't work because of 0 here. So how can I solve this? Think, Jeremy, think. because if I'm doing this, no. Sorry, this is staying there. This is geometry. Dot size. Dot height. Minus, I don't know, 100. Okay, so this is working. It's not minus, it's plus 100, right? I know that's minus. Ah, yeah, minus arbitrary. And if I'm doing something like this, yes, so this is going, okay, 1/3 of it after geometry dot height, no, dot size dot height 2.2. 3.2, sorry. This is not okay. I'm missing something. Here we go. So we have this, now I need to go up on this one? No. Ah, no. I'm doing shit. The wrong one is this one. Size dot height. This. No? What am I missing there? Let's have an overview. So I'm going there. It's okay. After I'm adding this curve, blah, blah, blah. After I'm going here. Whoa. Wrong shortcut. Why it's not changing? Ah, Jeremy. Okay, I understood. I'm changing the wrong one. Here we go. Ah no, that's the bottom one. Crap. Well, I'm missing something. That's the height I need to change. So why the fuck it's not working? It's really not working. There is a missing path. What the fuck? That's funny, huh? That's really funny. Is it because this is the same? No, it cannot be. Oh, that's why. Dot width, dot size, dot width. Okay. And I want the same. Oh là 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 là, Jérémy! That's weird. That's really weird because if I'm so -3 is going there, -5 is going something like there. No, maybe like 2. You know what I'm gonna do? Yes, let's do this. It's a bit cheating, but and this should be. So I'm really wrong because it should be there. Oh fuck. I was in the wrong area. And this should be 2. Or even less than this. Okay, so I have this, it's okay. Here I should stay 2.6. This is at is it working? No, this is the wrong one. Should be yes. And here we are at 2. And here we are at 3. Yes. We should even be far more than this. What? Yes, here we go. Okay, so if I'm doing this, starting to look great. At least it's looking more as it is designed, but it's not. The height is still wrong. So let's do this like this. Okay, and it's this one. 3. Oh no. 6. What? Okay, and this one is wrong. Bon, guys, this is good enough. So just now I need to invert the colors. The way to do it, I need to create a color. Because I'm going to set up the shapes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I need to create, to change the opacity of it also. So let's do it manually like this. Like this. So I want it white for this and like this for the dark one, and the opacity of it 50 for the light mode, and the dark mode is 52. How can I set up the shape, color shape? Because I don't think background is working. Is it? I don't think the background color is working for a shape. No, it's fill something, right? It's dot fill something. Yes. Oh, Jérémy. Okay. And it shapes, I guess. Yes. Here we go. So we have our first one. It's ready. Let's clean up a bit this. Let's skip this. Yes, it's more readable. Commit. Background shape. And this one, I called it top or back one. There is a new follow. Hello, Bobo. Bobros. I don't know. Dude, I'm going to call you Bob, okay? So the first shape is done. We have our background. I need to create the second one now. Bottom shape font you. Okay. And what I'm going to do, because I'm a lazy guy, is extend this. So, except that on this one we are starting higher, and we are starting at the exact same point and it's ending, so it should be something like this. 2 and 1. And if I'm lucky enough, we shouldn't have a lot of stuff to change. Show me the money. Amazing. So, I still have some adjustment to do. So, go away. We should have more height. Yes. And this one, I need it to go a bit. Should I? Mm-hmm. Thanks, Megan. But you know, I'm kind of trying everything. So 2.2 should go down, right? No, it's going up, so it means that I need to do this like this. But it's too much. Wow. But I won't. I should even go more. It's more here and then here. No, no, no. Okay, so it's exactly like this. That's 2 down. After, to be honest, I'm looking forward to try this on another device to see the the shape. This is the height. That is not good. Okay, and I need to push it a bit, so yes, 3.6 more. Yeah, because I have it's going to be too up to... Oh no, it's working, so this is okay. So if I'm doing this, then this, yes, it's working, 2.8. Then this one is too high. This. And we are good. Wow, wow, wow. A bit more on the bottom, I guess. No, this is too much. Allez, here we go. It's good enough. So I'm going to commit this. And then background shape font. Interesting part is going to try this on another device. For example, a smaller one. Not so bad. It's working. This little guy. Well, there is some people using the preview with multiple devices, but it means that you have the amount of simulator starting at the same time with the same amount of device. So I prefer to do it manually like this, and it's working well. I'm really impressed. I was not expecting this, to be honest. Good. Good. Maybe we can try a small iPad to check. Because why not? We can do it. Come on. So I'm using amazing, but it's amazing. Yeah, but I don't have any fixed sizes, so I guess it's working. Can I turn the... Ah, yeah, but I didn't check the landscape mode. Because on an iPad and landscape, it can make sense. But anyway, well done, well done. I think we can celebrate this with a small GIF. What do you think? Let me just find a way to slow down this music a bit more, like this, and I think this one. No, this one is good. Yeah, this one to celebrate. What do you think? Because I'm pretty happy of myself. Yeah, I've created some stuff like this one. If something bad is happening, I have this one also to punish myself. What else? This one I think is very funny. And I have this small explosion there, but it doesn't make any sound. Anyway, I think this one also. I'm going to. I have time to do something else. No, I need to go actually. I need to go. I'm impressed. Tomorrow, when are we tomorrow? We are Wednesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is the recording of Ambidextrous podcast with Megan that just popped up in the chat today. That's amazing. Thanks. So if you're not following the channel, I would recommend you to do it. If you like what you see and what you have seen, I'm not a developer, as you can imagine. I'm quite new in this. I'm a more designer and product designer by day, and that's it. So this is a side project. I would like to see it going further, and I will try to maybe stream a bit tomorrow afternoon, but I'm not sure. I think I need to get ready. More need to get ready for the podcast, and that's it. I'm seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.